Dude, now I'm going to tell different problems. First, let's start by taking triangle. If you take a triangle, how to find its area? They have given base length as 1 unit and even perpendicular height as 1 unit. You need to find out what's the area of this triangle. Area of this triangle is half times of base times of perpendicular height. That means it's going to become half times of, here this is the base, which is 1 units, times of, this is the perpendicular height, that is also 1 unit. You can multiply numerator, 1 times of 1 is 1, again 1 times of 1 is 1, denominator to half square units. Let's take another triangle. In this triangle, they have given base length as 2 unit and the perpendicular height as 1 unit. Here also you need to find out what's the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle even here is half times of base times of perpendicular height. That means half times of, this is the base, which is 2 units, times of, this is the perpendicular height, that is 1 unit. And now you can do it out easily, that is 2 1 times 2 1 times, you can divide it, 1 times of 1 is 1, again 1 times of 1 is 1, 1 square unit is the area of this triangle. And let's take one more triangle, and in this triangle, here you can take like this, that is the base length is 5 units and the perpendicular height is 1 unit. Here also you need to find out what's the area of this triangle. Even here area becomes half times of base times of perpendicular height. That means half times of, this is the base, which is 5 units, times of, this is the perpendicular height, that is 1 unit. You cannot divide 2 and 5, so above numerator 5 times of 1 5, 5 times of 1 again 5, 5 by 2 square units is the area of the triangle. Let's take one more triangle. Now in this triangle you can take it out, that is they have given the base length as 7 units and the perpendicular height as 1 units. Here also you need to find out what's the area. Area of even this triangle is half times of base times of perpendicular height. That means half times of, this is the base, which is 7 units, times of, this is the perpendicular height, that is 1 unit. Above numerator 7 times of 1 7, again 7 times of 1 7, 7 by 2 square units. And you can take one more triangle. In this triangle they have given the base length as 10 units and the perpendicular height is going to be 1 units. Now you need to find out what's the area. Area of even this triangle is half times of base times of perpendicular height. That means half times of, this is the base, which is 10 units, times of, this is the perpendicular height, that is 1 unit. You can divide denominator and numerator, 2 1 times 2 5 times 10, 5 times of 1 is 5, again 5 times of 1 going to become 5 itself. 5 square unit is the area of this triangle. Let's take another one. Next I going to tell about equilateral triangles. In equilateral triangles, here you can take like this, that is in equilateral triangles all sides going to have equal length, means all sides going to be equal to 1 units. When all sides are 1 units, first let's find out what's the perimeter, then what's the area. Here the side length is 1 units. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 times of side length. Because there are 3 sides, you must take it out as 3 times of side length, which is 1 unit. 3 times of 1 is 3, so 3 units is the perimeter. Let's find out what's the area. Area is side length, this one, root 3 by 4 times of a square. That means you need to take it as root 3 by 4 times of, this is the side length, 1 unit, 1 square. 1 square means it becomes 1 times of 1, so it remains as 1, and here it becomes root 3 by 4 times of 1 is root 3 by 4 square units. Let's take one more equilateral triangle. Even in this triangle they have given all sides is equal to 2 units. When all sides are 2 units, first find out what's the perimeter and then what's the area of the equilateral triangle. Here the side length is 2 units. You can do in the same way. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 times of side length, that is 3 times of, this is the side length which is 2 units. 3 times of 2 means it becomes 6 units. So 6 units is the perimeter of this equilateral triangle. Now let's find out what's the area. Area of this equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 times of side length square. That means it becomes root 3 by 4 times of, this is the side length which is 2 units, 2 square. 2 square means 2 times of 2. 2 times of 2 means it becomes 4. So this becomes root 3 by 4 times of 4 units. For 1 times you must divide denominator and numerator, so it remains as root 3 square unit. That one will become the area of this equilateral triangle. Let's take one more equilateral triangle. In this equilateral triangle, all sides they have given us 5 units. When all sides are 5 units, let's find out what's the perimeter and what's the area of this triangle. The side length will be 5 units. You can do it out. Perimeter of this equilateral triangle is 3 times of side length. That's 3 times of, this is the side length which is 5 units. 3 times of 5 is 15. So 15 units is the perimeter of this equilateral triangle. And you need to find out what's the area. Area of this equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 times of side length square. Here root 3 by 4 times of side length is 5 units, so it is 5 square. 5 square means 5 times of 5, which becomes 25. So this is equal to root 3 by 4 times of 25. 25 times of root 3, 25 root 3 by, this is 25 root 3 by 4 square units is the actual area of this equilateral triangle. Bye.